I shut my eyes in search of sleep, tossed and turned in hope for dreams, awakened by your voice that was so clear. It felt so near to me. I want your love, I need your touch. I've been missing you so much. I reach out for your hand and now it feels like I am falling down, 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 till I kiss the ground.
Let up down.